Imagine paying $80 just to nap next to a stranger, or getting comfort from a cold, lifeless machine instead of a real friend. With over 60% of adults feeling lonely, cuddle cafes and AI empathy bots are becoming a chilling reality. They promise to give us the human touch we're missing, but at what cost? As more people face depression and anxiety, these artificial substitutes might seem like a quick fix, but could end up replacing real human connections. Beware, technology might soon control your deepest feelings and make you a slave to its cold, robotic touch. Loneliness is becoming a nightmare. Over 60% of adults now report feeling isolated, and shockingly, 1 in 3 people who are in loving relationships still feel alone. As depression rates surge, a terrifying new trend is emerging: cuddle cafes and AI empathy bots. These so-called solutions offer a paid hug or a machine programmed to mimic emotional support. It sounds like a plot from a dystopian movie, but it's happening right now. Real human touch has been proven to reduce stress by up to 30% and boost mood significantly, yet many are choosing these artificial comforts over genuine connections. Why? This scary shift reveals a future where technology could control our deepest emotions, replacing the warmth of human contact with cold mechanical substitutes. Imagine a world where you don't interact with real people anymore, but with machines that simulate affection. These robots aren't just filling a gap, they're laying the groundwork for a future where real emotional bonds are obsolete. The chilling reality is that AI could soon dominate our emotions and how you feel. You could become not just a user, but an emotional prisoner of these soulless entities. This dark future suggests that the more we rely on artificial empathy, the more we risk losing our ability to form authentic human relationships altogether. As technology takes over more of our personal space, it's not far-fetched to think we might end up trapped in a world where genuine human connection is nothing more than an illusion of the past. Welcome to the chilling world of cuddling cafes and AI empathy bots, where our search for comfort has taken a dark and unsettling turn. What if the rise of cuddle cafes is more than just a quirky trend? What if it's a calculated move to exploit our deepest vulnerabilities? In Japan, the emergence of cuddle cafes is a dark testament to the depths of human desperation. Cuddle Room and Risa's Cozy Corner aren't just innocent havens for comfort, they are predatory businesses capitalizing on the epidemic of loneliness. With an average of 50 to 100 visitors daily, these establishments are profiting from the emotional void left by a disconnected society. Each visitor spends $80 for a half hour of physical contact, hoping to mend what's broken inside them. Why has this industry flourished? The answer lies in a disturbing truth. Cuddle cafes are growing massively because they feed on our fear of isolation. They offer a temporary fix for a problem that's far more profound. The real horror? This market isn't just catering to our needs. It's manipulating them. Are we truly so detached that we need to pay for a stranger's physical touch? The dark irony is that these cafes promise solace but deliver a hollow commercialized version of human warmth. They transform genuine human need into a profitable transaction, reducing intimacy to a service you can buy. As we flock to these cafes, we're not just seeking comfort, we're enabling an industry that profits from our loneliness and emotional desperation. The rise of cuddle cafes might just be the beginning of a future where our most fundamental human needs are exploited for profit, leaving us with nothing but a chilling void where real connection once existed. What if your closest confidant was a soulless algorithm, engineered to mimic empathy but devoid of genuine understanding? AI empathy bots, like Replica and Wobot, are designed to exploit our deepest emotional needs under the guise of companionship. These bots use advanced algorithms to analyze your conversations and respond with pre-programmed empathy. But is this comfort or just a sophisticated simulation? The mechanism behind these bots is both innovative and spooky. They collect and analyze massive amounts of personal data to craft responses that seem caring. Is it comforting to share your darkest secrets with a machine that has no true comprehension of human emotions? Each interaction is meticulously designed to make users feel heard, while in reality it's all driven by algorithms that have no true emotional depth. But wait, what are people really seeking when they turn to these bots? For some, it's a safe space to explore fantasies or emotions they feel are too dangerous to share with real people. Bots offer a non-judgmental ear, but this also means they can be used to fulfill twisted desires or explore dark thoughts without real-world consequences. Does this mean our most private feelings are now shared for data collection and algorithmic manipulation? As we become increasingly reliant on AI for emotional support, we risk surrendering our most intimate feelings to entities that will never truly understand us. Are we willingly trading genuine human connection for a cold, calculated imitation? The rise of AI empathy bots is a stark reminder of how technology can distort and exploit our most fundamental human needs. Imagine this: ancient humans huddling together in caves, sharing warmth and safety. Fast forward to today, and our sense of comfort has been hijacked by screens and gadgets. How did we go from cozy cave hugs to cold digital physical connection? In the Stone Age, comfort was about real, physical closeness. Early humans huddled together to stay warm, and that touch was crucial for survival and emotional bonding. They didn't just survive, they thrived on real, human connection. Fast forward a few thousand years, and comfort was still tactile. Families would gather, share meals, and offer genuine hugs and handshakes. This touch was a cornerstone of emotional support, proven to lower stress by up to 30% and build strong bonds. But now, in the tech-savvy age, comfort has taken a dark turn. Instead of feeling the warmth of another person, we're settling for robotic interactions and digital cuddles. Cuddle cafes and AI empathy bots might look like solutions, but they're really hollow replacements. What we're getting are robotic responses and virtual hugs, not the real warmth we need. Here's the brutal reality: stress and loneliness are skyrocketing as real human connection becomes rare. The American Psychological Association reports that 70% of adults feel more stressed due to less face-to-face interaction. We've traded genuine comfort for digital substitutes, and it's taking a toll on our mental health. Are these digital solutions truly helping us? The truth is, they often leave us feeling more isolated and disconnected. Real human comfort is becoming a rare gem as technology takes over our emotional needs. This shift is making us crave genuine connections more than ever, highlighting the stark difference between what we had and what we've lost. Welcome to the chilling future, where our most basic emotional needs are being replaced by a cold digital illusion. Imagine earning thousands of dollars by offering nothing more than a robotic hug. That's the reality for owners of Cuddle cafes, where AI empathy bots are becoming the new cash cows. In Japan, Korea, and even parts of Europe, these businesses are raking in profits by replacing human interaction with machines. Owners are making a killing. In cities like Tokyo and Seoul, where loneliness and stress are at an all-time high, Cuddle cafes featuring AI bots are pulling in upwards of $50,000 to $80,000 a month. The trend is booming in metropolitan areas, where overworked professionals and socially isolated individuals flock to these cafes for a quick artificial fix. Here's how it works. Customers can book a session with an AI empathy bot, paying anywhere from $50 to $120 per hour for a simulated emotional experience. These bots, equipped with advanced AI, offer scripted conversations, virtual cuddles, and responses tailored to mimic real human empathy. In Japan alone, over 300 such cafes have opened in the last 5 years, with similar trends in South Korea, the US, and Germany. Why are people paying for this? Loneliness has hit epidemic levels. Studies show that over 60% of adults feel isolated, despite being in relationships or social circles. As human connections decrease, more people are turning to AI for comfort. For some, these bots provide a temporary escape from the crushing reality of emotional disconnection. The future of this industry is shocking. Experts predict that the AI emotional support market could hit $10 billion by 2030, as more people opt for robotic interactions over real human connections. In major cities across the globe, this comfort economy is thriving, and the numbers are only rising. But here's the scary part. As more people rely on AI for emotional needs, we're not just losing real human connection. We're handing it over to machines. Are we on the verge of becoming emotional prisoners to technology? It's a dark reality, but it's happening right now. The question is, are you ready for this future? As the trend of cuddle cafes merges with the rise of AI empathy bots, a few standout establishments across the globe have taken the business to the next level. Let's dive into 5 of the most popular cuddle cafes that are not only cashing in on this trend, but reshaping the future of comfort itself. 1. Suineya Cuddle Cafe, Tokyo, Japan. Founded by Katsuyuki Maeda, Suineya is considered the pioneer of cuddle cafes in Japan. It features both human cuddlers and AI empathy bots. The cafe operates with 30 private rooms and has 15 AI bots, offering various services like napping, hand-holding, and even gentle head pats. Katsuyuki envisioned creating a space where people could feel a sense of closeness in a city that thrives on isolation. With over 150 daily visitors, Suineya generates approximately $75,000 a month. 2. Hug Me Empathy Cafe, Seoul, South Korea. Owned by tech entrepreneur Min-jae Kim, Hug Me Empathy Cafe was among the first to integrate AI bots with human cuddlers. Min-jae saw a business opportunity in South Korea's overworked society and invested heavily in AI technology. The cafe boasts 20 private rooms and 10 AI bots, which offer services like deep conversation simulations and emotional coaching. With 80% occupancy on most days, Hug Me makes around $60,000 monthly, catering to those seeking robotic emotional support. 3rd, RoboHug Retreat, New York, USA. Tech visionary Sarah Green founded RoboHug Retreat with the idea of blending technology and emotional wellness. The cafe has 25 private rooms and uses 18 AI empathy bots with advanced conversational AI software. Each robot is designed to mimic human emotions, making it difficult to tell whether you're speaking to a bot or a human. RoboHug Retreat sees around 90 visitors daily and pulls in an impressive $85,000 per month. Sarah believes AI empathy is the future of wellness. 4. Comfort Zone, Berlin, Germany. Owned by Felix Wagner, Comfort Zone has quickly become a hotspot for tech-savvy professionals seeking an emotional release. Felix's vision was to create a cafe where people could de-stress in a fast-paced digital world. The cafe operates with 20 AI bots and 15 rooms, generating about $70,000 a month. The cafe focuses on deep relaxation techniques provided by AI bots, designed to adjust responses based on the emotional state of the guest. 5. Feel Good Cuddle Hub, Los Angeles, USA. Founded by Jason Lee, Feel Good Cuddle Hub offers a luxury cuddle experience powered by state-of-the-art AI technology. With 30 rooms and 20 AI bots, it attracts clients who want a premium emotional connection. Jason believes that AI empathy bots can relieve not just loneliness, but also anxiety. The business makes around $90,000 a month, offering high-end packages that include emotional well-being workshops. These cuddle cafes are leading the way in redefining human comfort, offering AI empathy as a service, and they're making serious money doing it. Is this the future of emotional support, or have we crossed a line? The numbers say it's only getting bigger. Think this is just the beginning? Think again. AI empathy bots are not stopping at cuddle cafes. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As technology continues to creep into our emotional lives, we could be looking at a future where real human connections are wiped out completely. What happens when robots are not just cuddling, but controlling every aspect of our emotional and physical well-being? Imagine a world where human touch becomes obsolete, where even the most intimate of relationships are replaced by machines. How long before robots replace partners in bed, offering perfect physical relationships? What if robot moms are the ones giving birth to future generations, eliminating the need for human reproduction altogether? As AI evolves, it's not impossible to see a future where Even the dark web becomes a marketplace for illegal robot services. A chilling thought where fantasies can be fulfilled with emotionless machines. What happens when AI goes rogue, manipulating human emotions and controlling how we feel? The lines between empathy and exploitation will blur. This is the brutal reality we're heading towards. Physical touch, emotional bonds, and human intimacy could soon be a relic of the past, replaced by cold, calculated machines designed to make us feel loved, while stripping away the essence of real connection. Is this the future we want? Or are we on the verge of becoming slaves to the very machines we created? As we move deeper into a world where AI empathy bots and cuddle cafes replace genuine human touch, we must ask ourselves, what are we truly sacrificing? Technology is creeping into our most intimate needs, shaping the way we seek comfort and connection. But at what cost? When artificial hugs become more common than real ones, and robots replace relationships, we risk losing what makes us human. The future may be convenient, but it's also terrifying. Is this really the comfort we crave? Or are we simply prisoners of the machines we've created? The choice is ours, while we still have it. If this glimpse into the future gave you chills, there's a lot more coming. Subscribe to The Future of Crime, where we uncover everything from the creepy rise of AI to the dark secrets of tech. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss an episode exploring how technology is quietly changing your world in ways you wouldn't believe. Stay curious, stay aware, and get ready. The future isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's darker than you think.